It is just a point, and it is just a line. But thanks for the science and technology, here comes to a great product in this era, PCB. PCB enrich human beings' daily life and entertainment, greatly improve forward humans' civilization and the world's economy. Fuying, who commits to becoming a world-class PCB manufacturing enterprise, bring in sense of each point and line of high-quality PCB with its own wisdom all these 18 years. Embrace the innovation, win in the future. Fuyi Electronic is located in the high-tech industrial development zone of Qingyuan City, Guangdong Province. Specialized in the manufacturing and sales of double-sided and multi-layer PCB. Relying on the unique and advanced geographical environment and a strong atmosphere of the industry development, with a grand plant of 15,000 square meters and rich R&D technology and professional talent teams, using international advanced production equipment and professional testing machines, Fuying has greatly developed step by step with all the joint efforts in the company. Fuying was obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, IATF 16949 Automobile Product Management System certification, and a UL certification. The company's product quality has been highly recognized by customers all around the world. Win by quality, lead by integrity. Fuying always believes good quality products come from production instead of inspection. To better implement our quality policy, to provide satisfied quality and service is our internal pursuit. The company introduced a large number of world-class level top production equipment to produce, including 216 layers rigid board, HDI, FPC, high-frequency board, and other diversified quality products, which widely applied in industrial control, automotive, telecommunications, medical, consumer electronics, security, EMS, and other fields. We have in-depth cooperation with Yaskawa, Fuji Electric, ICOM, Omron, Honeywell, Dyson Gore-Tex, and other well-known enterprises around the world. With standardized and highly efficient production workshop, strict quality management system, excellent first-class technological, and 500,000 square feet high capacity every month, Fuying has completed $15 million sales in 2017, established a China domestic basis business network, and involved Japan, North America, Europe, and other countries and regions of the world. We provide food service and support to the home world to achieve better results. Human-oriented green development. For customers, Fuying adheres to customer-oriented. We insist on providing satisfied service to global customers, which is our mission. To improve product competitiveness and brand value with higher goal, higher efficiency, higher speed, strengthen enterprise core technology, and to provide our customers standardized, specialized, diversified, and flexible service, respect, understanding customers, and to ensure product and service are transcendent customers' expectation, assisting customer, building competitive advantage, improving operation and maintenance benefit to obtain customer value and achieve win-win cooperation and common strategic objectives of development. For employees, Fuying not only pays attention to their career health, but also pays more attention to their mental health. We attempt to create a safe and healthy workplace for employees to minimize occupational hazards. Besides, we also organize regular training to increase their skills and provide all kinds of fitness entertainment facilities, organize regular outdoor activities to enrich employees' spare life. For society, Fuying persists pursuing sustainable development, improving enterprise economic benefits by saving energy and reducing consumption, and taking environmental production as enterprise strategy, which applied to a variety of business activities. Fuying promises saving energy and reducing consumption are not just a flash in the sky or something oral, but the internal faith and action. Let's win and develop together. Looking back on 18 eventful years, Fuying Electronic Company Limited from its first establishment in 2001 to reach 500,000 SQFM capacity in 2018. Fuying always adhere to the core value of satisfied customer, teamwork, honesty, and trustworthiness, innovation and improvement, holding the business purpose of continuous product quality improvement and meet customer demand. We dedicate to create qualified and high-efficiency service for customers. To meet the continuous increasing demands of customers, Fuying invested more than 100 million RMB to purchase a 50 acres new plant in 2015. The first plant was designed 50,000 square meters, and the company is expected to start production by the end of 2019. Mainly focus on high-end products, HDI, FPC, flex, and rigid PCB and SMT. Planned to reach 1 million SQFTM to 2020. In the future, we will be greatly motivated by the said sales and technology improvement plan. Take sustainable development and win-win cooperation as strategic vision. No fears to danger. To be a market leader. Cooperate with friends from all sectors of society. Let's take a big step hand in hand. Outline more ambitious efforts together.